In our final trade of the day today, Sean Cruz at TD Ameritrade. He has his eyes on Apple TV and Amazon. So we talked about this earlier in the show today. And what do you think this will mean for Amazon shares?
Amazon, they're looking at about a $7 to $8 move in those shares.
This week, do you think?
This week, they might look to buy, say, the 1137 half put strike or the 1152 half call strike, just to make sure that if they get some outsized move, they don't get run over on the trade.
So traders really just want Amazon to move this week then?
They do. If you pick one side or the other, if you pick the put side, then you want it to move higher. If you pick the call side, then you want it to move lower.
Beautiful. All right, let's move on to Dollar General. Now we are in front of Christmas. And the holiday season is here with a lot of people out shopping, and Dollar General could come into play here. Do you think that the stock is likely to rise into the holidays or go down?
So it's already had a pretty solid move higher this year. It's up about 22%, been able to buck that trend we've been seeing in the retailers in general. So a lot of those equity holders right now, we're seeing as sort of an interesting trade develop where they're selling a put, and they're doing that so they can finance buying two puts lower.
So where do people think that this stock is likely to land, say at the end of the week or maybe even at the end of the quarter?
So it looks like they're saying it should move around $4, and that would put it around the 86 or the 94 level. There's still a lot of activity and a lot of open interest on the call side, so it doesn't look like they're expecting a massive drop anytime soon.
Well, thanks so much for dropping by.
Thank you for having me.